Hey guys, what's up? So today is my first day of school. I'm uploading a video right now, so I'm probably gonna be late, but that's fine. Okay, so let's get started. It is really hot out, so I don't think I'm gonna wear foundation. I think I'm gonna just put on foundation powder, just cause that's one less layer. I'm gonna go in with a quick eyeshadow look, something simple, something quick, because I don't want to be too late. I'm excited to see what the new school year brings though. Spring is always like my best semester, but you know, fall's entertaining. You know what I am excited though for? Tailgate season. I am so excited for tailgate season. Hey! I would never vlog a tailgate. Yeah, turns out I did end up vlogging a tailgate, and it's my last video. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out. But joke's on me, I am the clown. Go check it out. But just know, she's tailgating. I'm so excited. Literally the first tailgate is this Saturday. Luckily, all of my friends and I will be there because we don't have work. Oh yeah, yesterday was my first day at my job. It was actually pretty fun. It was pretty easy. I like it. There we go. That's decent, right? Alright. Low-key, I do want to wear falsies though. And I'm like, something simple though, right? Something simple. Should I bronze? Yeah, just to not look a little flat, you know. She looks flat. I don't even know where my classes are. Isn't that funny? I just don't even know where they're at. I'm just like gonna wing it once I get there. Parking, gonna wing it once I get there because I didn't have money to buy a parking pass this semester, so love that for me. So now I'm gonna go in with what else should I do? I think I will do the lashes. Should I? I will. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some tweezers. Okay, so my video is uploading and it says 24 minutes left. I shouldn't be here in 24 minutes. I should be gone. Yesterday, a lot of people saw me for the first time with blonde hair, and I got so many compliments, and so many people were like, what the hell? Like, why? Like, when did you do this? And I was just like, I'm doing a video. Like, I'm doing a video. And obviously, like, I did the blonde hair because I wanted blonde hair, but I was just like, a video. Just check it out. Just watch it and check it out. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so that's done. Okay, now that I have them both on, I'm like, okay. I'm gonna take my mascara though, just on the side, just in case one of them falls off or it's just not working no more. You know the deal. So what's new with you guys? I've been talking to this guy who I have a crush on for a little bit, and I've had a crush on him for a while, and every time I see him I'm like, oh my god, he's so cute, he's so sweet, he's so funny, and my friends love him, he's so funny, and it's just not gonna work out. I already know, I can already tell it's not gonna work out, but he's been texting me. He likes to keep the conversation going, and it's just like the randomest stuff that he likes to talk to me about, which, like, I get it, but I'm also like, sir, this is not gonna work out. This isn't working out in any way, shape, or form. And I know you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, like, it could work out. No, trust me, not gonna work out with me, not gonna work out with any girl, if you catch my drift. But the thing that gets me, the stuff that he talks to me about, I'm like, it's literally like random, like Tumblr 2012, and I'm just like, this isn't it. Like, this isn't what I thought it would be. I literally rubbed highlighter all over my nose. Do you see that? Like, I don't like that. Like, I like just having a dot of highlighter on my nose, and I rubbed it all over my nose. Oh my god, why would I do that? Why did I do that? You see, it's because I was talking, and I shouldn't be talking when doing my makeup because it doesn't work out. But yeah, I've been talking to him, and He's really funny, but I'm like one brain cell. One brain cell is what that is. Which is funny because the guy I liked before him was so dry at texting, so dry at texting, that I was just kind of like, okay, like, I know that you're interested, but you're going about it the wrong way. Because he would hit me up, and I was just like, okay, like, let's see where this goes. I replied to him twice, and I was like, nope, this is not going, this isn't working out. And then my babe was also like, dude, just stop talking to him, because, like, no, you guys aren't cooking. And I was like, I know, which sucks, because he hits me up, and then he calls me out for leaving him on red, and I'm like, dry, was interested in me, could have worked out, but he was dry. And this guy, not interested, not gonna work out, not gonna happen ever. So I'm like, huh? ¿Qué está pasando aquí? What kind of sick and dirty joke is this, you know? What kind of sick and dirty joke is this? It's my life, sis. That's the sick and dirty joke. That it's my life. Alright, so I'm gonna change now. So, I'll be right back. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm wearing my top shop, my Forever 21 mom jeans. I can't find my belt, but I am gonna put on a belt with these once I find it. And then my sorority shirt. So yeah, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you guys liked this video and seeing me stress over getting ready for the first day of school, then please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.